my dear students. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to moral class. Hope you all are doing good and safe. Last week we have learned about helping hands. This week our topic is being responsible. Our topic is being responsible. Responsibility is a great job. We can learn, we can guide, we can achieve things through this responsibility. Come, let's learn about what is meant by responsibility. Hal Elrod said that the moment you take responsibility for everything in your life is the moment you can change anything in your life. When you are taking the responsibility for everything, that is the moment of change of your life. So, you want to make one change in your life means you just take a responsibility. Okay, let me tell you 4 corners of the responsibility. Practice self-control. For example, if you are taking a responsibility of a class leader means you have to be self-control first. Am I right? You should be quiet. You should take your friends in a right path means you have to be walk in right path first. If you are maintaining silence in the class means you have to be silent first, right? So this responsibility gives you self-control first. Then accountable for your choices. That means your choices will be very less. If you are a leader, you are taking a responsibility to lead one group of students or people or friends, then your choice will be less. But your responsibility is there, you have to do it. Same way, if you are starting a work means you have to finish that. That's your responsibility because you are taken the responsible, right? So you have to finish the work and do your best and keep trying. That means not do your better or good. You have to do your best. That high level you have to do. Then only there is a value of the responsibility. So this responsibility gives you kindness. That means taking responsibility for oneself is by definition an act of kindness. This responsibility gives kindness in you. For example, you were assigned to take care of a sick person. You are taking that responsibility to take care of one sick person, okay? She or he wouldn't walk. You have to give food, you have to give whatever he or she is asking means first you should have kindness. Am I right? If you are kind-hearted means only you can help that person 100%, right? So the responsibility brings kindness in you. Today our moral value is kindness. This kindness comes through the responsibility. Okay, come, I want to share one short story with you. This story is taken from our moral book, okay? You just go through here. Maya and Zoya living with their parents and grandmother in Chennai. They used to call their grandmother as Paati, okay? Their mother and father is working. So when they are leaving for work, Maya and Zoya will be alone with their Paati at home, okay? When they are leaving home, their father is saying that to take care of grandmother. They also said okay and bye. After they leaving, Zoya and Maya were discussing about coloring the pictures. That time grandmother asked Zoya, will you please switch on TV, darling? So Zoya also said yes, and she switched on the TV. After some time, suddenly Paati starts feeling unwell. She asked, get me a glass of water please. So Maya understood she is sick and Zoya called her auntie Annie. Annie is a doctor. Okay, doctor also came there. She checked grandmother and she told party needs to be taken to the hospital. So both the kids were very aware about the ambulance and the ambulance number. They ready to call. That time their parents also reached home. Parents were very happy because Maya and Zoya did correctly, right? They called the doctor and gave proper care to their grandmother. So their mother and father is very happy because they gave the responsibility to the kids, Maya and Zoya. They have taken care of her, their grandmother, very well, right? So they reached that goal. Am I right? So responsibility gives you kindness because they have kindness through the responsibility. So only they have taken care of their grandmother. So responsibility brings you kindness. If you are supposed to do anything, you are assigned for a job or somebody is giving some responsibility to you, means you just do your work, achieve the goal, you just finish the work with your best. Okay, don't see here and there, don't think about others, you have to do your work best. Okay students, come, I want to give reading practice of last week class and today's notes also. Okay, first I'm gonna read today's notes. You just go through here. After you copy in your notebook, I'll send through the WhatsApp. After you copy in the notebook, you just hear this. If you can't read, means just hear this. Okay, this is this week's portion. Okay, fill in the blanks. Maya and Zoya takes care of their grandmother, and Annie is a doctor. Always help others in need. Always be responsible to finish given work properly. Responsibility brings kindness. Let me read once again. Maya and Zoya takes care of their grandmother, and Annie is a doctor. Always help others in need. Always be responsible to finish given work properly. Responsibility brings kindness. Okay, now I gonna read first week class. Okay, first lesson. Listen here. Fill in the blanks. Always help to the specially abled people. Encourage specially abled people to achieve something. Don't discourage differently abled person. Braille script is used by blind and visually impaired people. Hearing aid is designed to improve hearing to the people who can't hear. Let me read once again. Fill in the blanks. First one. Always help to specially abled people. 2. Encourage specially abled people to achieve something. 3. Don't discourage differently abled person. 4. Braille script is used by blind and visually impaired people. 5. Hearing aid is designed to improve hearing to people who can't hear. Okay kids, thank you. Go through here once again, then you will get clear idea. Follow the moral values, be responsible, always be kind-hearted. Okay, and copy the notes properly in your notebook. Okay, many of you are not copying and not sending snapshot. Once you finish your work, means just send snapshot to me. Okay, thank you.